Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to show you our facility because we have a lot of stuff planned for this year and we have a lot of stuff to do, so I thought I would give you a quick walkthrough. Come on! Alright, so as you might know, this is our final assembly area and it's pretty empty right now because we're sort of switching production right now. We're changing a lot of stuff and it's going to be really awesome. You're going to love the changes that we made. And we have a very big thing that's coming up because we're going to tear down this wall over here. We're going to remove all the cabinets because we just signed a lease for the hall on the other side, and we're going to expand our facility because we've just grown over the last few years that it's getting kind of crowded in here. Alright, so I will show you what's going on over there. Alright, so now we're on the other side of this drywall. We're going to tear this one down, and now we're basically standing in our brand new application center. So basically from this wall all the way to the middle of this hall till about, right here, it's going to be all application and production floor just for parts. So what we're going to do is we're going to lay down a new ESD floor. We're going to put in a new drywall, and then we're going to line up new machines to produce parts and various materials because we've gotten a lot of requests for separate parts over the last year, and we thought we need to fulfill this request, and we're going to make our facility bigger to be more agile and to be faster in production. And I hope in the next few weeks I will show you what's going on here and more details about our big move. So I will keep you guys posted what's going on in this facility here and what we're going to do. And I would love to hear from you what you would like me to show you, maybe in one of the next videos. Maybe you want to see something in more detail, how we do some certain things here. Or you just want to see, I don't know, how we mount stuff. Let me know what you like to see in the next videos, and I will see you in a couple of weeks.